Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is the first video that I'm actually dressed up for. Like, I normally just start my vlogs in the morning where I look like shit, but today I'm actually really dressed up. And I've done my makeup. I'm not dressed up because I just don't feel like. Okay, so I posted a vlog on Tuesday 26th where I went thrifting with my sister and I bought this sheepskin orangey jacket. But the thing is that I love the color, that's why I bought it. But it doesn't go with my like aesthetic. Like, I have the very girly, you know what I mean, right? That girly-ish aesthetic. And I don't know how to style it. So this is my first like styling day or whatever. Like, I've never done this before. So we're gonna do a styling day where we figure out if I actually like the jacket or not. So you see the jacket? See, it's like cute, right? I got it for 35 dirhams and the brand is Conrad C Women. So no, I got it for 25, sorry. Oh, I thought I paid 35 for this. Okay, I got this for 25. So I want to try to do like 5 outfits with this. Let's get started styling this beautiful jacket. So the first and the most obvious answer would be to put it on a dress. Blue dress. Should I do light blue or should I do green? I'm gonna try to come up with 5 outfits and then I'm gonna try them on and show you guys, and then we can make a final decision of what we think about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do another color block outfit because that's my only style. So Rasha got this purple tie-dye t-shirt and I think that would go really great with this color. So I'm gonna wear that and I'm gonna do flare jeans. I'm just gonna stare at it to find out what I can do. So I really like that thing where people will layer like something and then there'll be a jacket and then there'll be another jacket on top. So I'm gonna try that also once I figure out what can go under it. See, so far these two outfits will go really great on my feet. So if I do wear this jacket, it will go really nice on my feet. So I just want to do something that is not typically my style. Also, I have this bandana printed shirt. I think it's called, I don't know what that print is called, so I just call it the bandana print. And I'm gonna do this. No, I'm gonna first do a tank top. I'm gonna do the bandana shirt and then the jacket on top with a pair of black shorts. So this is the shirt. I got this tennis skirt from Shein. It's really cute. I love it so much. So now we need a top for this. So should I do it like completely black and then have the jacket as the statement piece, or should I have another color underneath? And oh, you know what would go really nice? Green. So I have this green t-shirt. It's from Shop Stature on Instagram. When I did a photo shoot for them for their spring line, this was one of the products, and this t-shirt, my god, I tell you, it is amazing. But it's a really nice like minty green. Do you guys think like a light pink pant will look nice with this? These are the two colors. It could be really great or it could be too crazy. So the colors are kind of similar, so it could be like not similar, like they come in the same family. So it could be a monochromatic or it could be such a fail that I look like a clown. But you know, in many videos I do end up looking like a clown, so I think this is a step that I have to take. Yeah, so this is the 5 outfits. So this is what the outfit looks like. See, that's my thing, like it's so big but it's also weirdly length. Look at the length, it's so awkward. So was this jacket a mistake? I like it better placed. I changed the height of the camera. So this one I'll give like a 4 on 10 because I don't know what I'm feeling. I love this. It is so cute and it also keeps that edgy vibe. Like, this is the best I think it's gonna get. I think this is my favorite outfit. It gives such a you know those like cool edgy girls with their leather jackets and stuff. It is just a more colorful version of that and I feel like it looks really nice on me. Oh, look at how well they match with the jacket. So you will see this outfit on my feet at least once. Like, I'm gonna wear this. I love the combination of the purple and this color. I would wear this with the skirt though. I prefer it with the skirt. But I want to try cropping this t-shirt and seeing that. I know that it look good, but I just want to try it out. Can you tell how obsessed I am with this? Okay, so the jacket was not a mistake. I give this outfit a 6 on 10. Like, it is really nice. I love this. Love it. Obsessed. The boxiness of the jacket goes so well with all the layers. I am so in love. Okay, so now I don't hate the jacket anymore. This is a 9 on 10. 9 on 10. I don't know what I think about this outfit. Do these colors match? Do they not? I don't know. It's kind of basic to me. It's kind of boring, this outfit. I would not wear this out. It is just too boring for me. So my ranking of the outfits is at 4th place is this one, and the dress. I'm in two minds. I don't know which one is last. I hate both of them. I don't hate this. I just don't know what I think about it. In 3rd place is the green t-shirt and the tennis skirt. 2nd place is the purple t-shirt and the jeans. And 1st place is the black shirt and the shorts. That was just amazing. So let's go clean up the mess I've made inside. That is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and comment down below which outfit you like the best. So I will post the favorite one on my feed. I was planning to vlog for the rest of the day also, but the thing is that I'm probably just gonna edit this and watch How I Met Your Mother for the rest of the day. Like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. See you next time.